Please check out my online shop sa Shopee, Mystic Queen PH for protection and prosperity items, bracelets, and zodiac sign bracelets na perfect pang regalo ngayong holiday season. Dahil bukod sa mga vouchers na available para sa inyo, may 25% discount din tayo sa lahat ng items until November 30, 2023. So grab this opportunity at padaluyin ng swerte sa pagsalubong ng taong 2024. Check out nyo na yan. Lahat ng links ay nasa description. Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 27 to December 3, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook page at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Okay, let us see, Cancer, ano ang inyong overall energy for this week for Cancer. Overall energy, wow, the Lovers. In love ang ibang Cancerians. And some of you, maaring you are entering into a very serious commitment. Pwedeng sa trabaho, sa business, sa relationship, ayan. So, may in love. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Cancer? The challenge is the 7 of Coins and the 2 of Cups. Okay. I feel like, iba sa inyo relationship tong challenge ninyo, no? Ito yung tipong, meron kayong nagugustuhan, pero, itong person na to, hindi siya pasok doon sa expectations nyo. Or sa standards ninyo. Pero nag-iisip kayo, bakit ko to nagugustuhan, tong taong to? Hindi naman siya talaga yung ideal na gusto mo. Pero may feelings. Oo, yung iba, pinipigilan nyo. Pwedeng katrabaho nyo to. Ito yung unti-unti kang na-develop sa person na to. Some of you naman, if this is related sa business, meron kayong gustong pasuking negosyo or business partnership, pero parang you feel na hindi sapat yung ine-effort ng business partner mo, yung potential mo na business partner. Oo. Kaya, hindi ka sure kung susubukan mo pa, pagpapatuloy mo pa. This can also mean an offer sa trabaho, no? Na iniisip mo, ito na ba yung magsisettle na ba ako sa offer na to ng boss mo or ng company na yan? Kasi mukhang hindi niya totally na ibigay or maibibigay yung expectations mo sa kanila in terms of yung mga benefits, yung incentives, ganon. So, kailangan itong pag-isipan. Major decision making for some of you. Okay, what is the opportunity for Cancer? Ano yung opportunity ng mga Cancer this week? Ano yung opportunity for you? The opportunity is the Knave of Cups and the 10 of Coins. Meron kang opportunity na maging very productive pagdating sa iyong mga projects, no, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Related rin to sa pangarap mo. Yung mga gusto mong i-manifest sa career mo. It seems na merong swerte dito with the 10 of Coins. Whatever this is na sinisimulan mo, this can be a new business, a career. But for some of you, related to sa business na may kinalaman to sa mga talents and skills mo na pwedeng pangarap mo ng bata ka pa. And this is going to bring you abundance kapag ipinurso mo. Kapag sineryoso mo talaga. So, let's see your blessing. The blessing is the 5 of Swords. If there is competition around you, alam mo man to o hindi, ikaw yung mananalo, no? Maaring merong tao na medyo sketchy or parang tuso, no, sa paligid mo, pero hindi ka nila malalamangan. Okay? Yung mga gustong dyan, i-take advantage ka. You will know them, no? Marireveal yan kung sino yan this week. Okay, so let's see your energies when it comes to your love life. Love life ng mga Cancer. Love life ng mga Cancer. Okay. Love life ng mga Cancer. Romance. So, ayun na nga. You're going to explore your feelings with this person. Oh, ang daming synchronicities. Oh. Yung iba talaga romantic partnership ito. Oh my God, Cancer. Look, true love. Oh, yung iba in love talaga. So, kung hindi man kayo nakaka-resonate dyan sa mga wala pang relationship, possible that in the future, may ganun kayong energy na you will be attracting your true love. The person na itinadhana para sa'yo. You have the 5 of Wands. Pwede tong nakakasama mo na. Pero alam mo yung tipong ayaw mo sa kanya. Pero in the end, you will be interested. Or vice versa. Siya naman magiging interesado sa'yo. 10 of Swords. Yung iba kasi, maaring hindi nyo pa to nararamdaman. Lalo na kung kayo ay nanggaling sa isang toxic relationship in the past. Pwede kasing merong paali-aligid na sa inyo ngayon, no? Or there is a potential partner around you. Pero hindi nyo siya napapansin. Or hindi nyo sinusubukan dahil you are still, nag-heal ka pa from your past. But I feel like, meron tong magandang intentions towards you. Kailangan mo lang na maka-recover ka na from your past. Kasi kung hindi pa rin, maaring maging challenging tong relationship na to kapag pinasok mo kasi hindi ka pa ready. Sa iyo namang career, you're very charming, marami kang admirers sa workplace, or maaring iba sa inyo, you are always seen by the public, no? Nasa social media ka, nasa public service ka, so you are mesmerizing. And also, sabi rito, only fix things when necessary to maintain good performance. So, some of you, maaring meron kayong mga ino-overthink sa trabaho, sa career nyo, na hindi naman kailangan i-overthink kasi pwedeng akala lang natin may issue, akala lang natin may problema, pero wala naman pala. So, some of you are into nasa auto mechanic or technician kayo. Yun yung inyong workplace, nasa field na may inaayos. So, let's see what else. You have the Star. The Moon in reverse. 8 of Wands. Maraming work sa inyo, no? Maaring yung iba sa inyo talaga really working so hard to be able to ma-achieve nyo yung inyong mga goals sa inyong career. Alam ko yung iba sa inyo rito nawalan na kayo ng iba nawalan ng gana sa trabaho. Pero I feel like mas lalo kayo ngayong ginaganahan dahil nai-inspire kayo sa ibang tao. Pwede kasi nakikita nyo yung mga achievement ng iba. Tapos pag nawawalan kayo ng motivation, yun yung nakapagpa-motivate sa inyo. Security, ayan. Sabi rito, true security comes from having a reserve of time, space, energy, personal power, and love. Make deposits in all these accounts and you'll be a wealthy person indeed. Ayan. So, I think ngayong week, you will be more responsible with your finances. Hindi lang sa finances mo, but also yung time mo, yung energy mo, yung personal power mo kasi hindi lang naman pera yung yung nagbibigay sa atin ng stability. So I think you will be focusing more on your mental stability, emotional stability, and of course self-love, no? Okay, so that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan niyo 'to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.